2nd, and just taking on the bike again for a nice ride to work. Wow, brake feels crazy better. Gonna end up taking that same route I took last time, just a little bit of a twist. I have the GoPro Hero 3 Plus on the handlebars with Super View, and running the Hero 2 on the running the Hero 2 on the helmet. So hopefully this ends up coming out like how I would like it to, which would be nice, which is always nice. Just taking a little decent stroll. I don't think I'm going to be messing around with the cameras too much as far as turning them off and on, which is what I was kind of doing last time. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I'm not sure. I might want to just, it's so much easier to just cut out certain points just by turning the camera off. It actually saves the amount of editing that you have to do later on. So I guess whenever I don't push my foot high enough, that's my present. You hear that because I caught like in between gears, which is so weird that it does that at times, but it does, you know. You'll get caught in between gears, and it's just kind of an odd feeling, but it happens. I decided to do a little modification to the microphone. I took the rubber glove off, so we'll actually see how that comes out. We're at highway speeds right now, about 70 miles an hour. Which is my usual cruising speed. So usually I get on a highway. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm doing about 70. Can't say I really go too much faster than that because I don't want the fuzz on my back. But you know, what are you gonna do? Newburgh City. Oh, they got some new cars. Nice. That's pretty cool. That Ford Taurus is pretty slick with that all-wheel drive. Ah, nice car, man. Very nice. Very nice. Car handles pretty good too. Stiff suspension. Firmer than probably what most people are used to. Gave the rear shock a slight adjustment. Stiffened up the rebound and the compression a little, because when I was hitting bumps I was getting just a slight double bounce. So, and that seems to have gone away. I'll probably give the rebound like an extra, just a slight extra tenths of a turn. So we'll see. Ooh, it's the fuzz! It's the fuzz! This guy here. counting coupons. The other day when I was trying to do this vlog, I was trying to trying to get the Hero 3 to turn on over this bridge, but it just wouldn't turn on for nothing. So what I ended up doing was I ended up just having to just leave it off. And this is the Neewer Beacon Bridge. Down there is pretty much the Hudson. Over there, those two mountains meet. And I'm gonna head on along down on that side, but further on the left side. On the left side is where I'm actually gonna be. Just running parallel right along the water. I really don't want to go on that lane. It's so bumpy, and I mean this side is bumpy too, but that lane is just horrible. Crosswinds. So I ended up making a slight suspension change to the Buell. In the front end, I had some progressive springs in there that I took the stocks out and put them in, and then I put the Gold valve emulators in there and tweaked those to about 4 turns with the stiffest spring, and put in about a 1/2 inch spacer, but still wasn't very happy with the feel, so I ended up dropping that out, taking those out, put the stock ones back in, go with the GVs in there. And then from there, basically just throw a 1-inch spacer in there, which she doesn't feel too bad. But I think no matter what, I'm gonna need a stiffer spring. Well, okay, I did bleed the front brake, and I know